Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well prepared for your exams, UT1 exams, right? Tomorrow you are having your science paper, and in this video I am going to tell you about the instructions for your science paper. Okay, listen carefully. First of all, take out your answer sheet that you have got from the school. This is the first page of your answer sheet, and write your name in the name column, then class, then section, then leave that roll number column because you are not assigned with your roll numbers yet. Okay, and then write in assessment column UT1, then write your subject and then date. Okay, and number of supplementary sheets, extra sheets that you will be using. Write the number here. Okay, after that take your scale and with the help of scale draw scale size margins on both the sides of this answer sheet. Yes, like this. Yes, like this as it is shown in the picture. Draw the margins on both the sides with the help of pencil. Fine. After that, open question paper from YOLO app that is being sent by your teacher, and first of all the timings for exam will be 9 am to 10:30 am, and your science exam will be divided into 3 sections A, B and C. Section A consists of 10 questions and each carries 1 mark. All are compulsory. Then section B consists of 5 questions, each carries 3 marks. These also all are compulsory. In section C, this section consists of 4 questions, each carries 5 marks, and you have to do only 3 questions. One is in choice. Okay, out of 4 you have to do only 3. Fine. Here are few more instructions that you have to write exam honestly without any cheating. Okay, and after writing, pictures of answer sheets to be sent to respective subject teachers on their WhatsApp number that is being mentioned on the question paper itself. Suppose tomorrow you are having your science paper, so you have to send the pictures of answer sheets to your science teacher on his or her WhatsApp number, and it should be sent by 10:40 am maximum. No late work will be entertained. आपने प्रॉपर 10:40 तक सेंड कर देनी है. लेट वर्क एंटरटेन नहीं होगा, एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा. And the answer sheets will be collected twice for the van students, on the 3rd day and on the last day, as it is already informed to you. 2 times van will come and collect your answer sheet. Same is with the case of self students, but here no van will come. Here you have to submit it on your own in the school. Okay, on the 3rd day and on the last day. Fine. Answer sheets to be taken care very properly, and it should be sent to school in good condition. नो स्टेन मार्क कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. गुड कंडीशन में ये वापस रिटर्न करनी है आपको स्कूल में. आफ्टर सेंडिंग पिक्चर्स नो चेंजेस, नो अमेंडमेंट्स विल बी एक्नॉलेज्ड. कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं आप कर सकते हो उसमें, ठीक है. इट विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड आफ्टर दैट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, 4th class students will use pencil for writing exam, and 5th class students will use good quality blue gel pen. Okay. So all the very best students for your exam. Yes. Thank you.